In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in BigCommerce. By the end, you'll know how to customize the text, links, widgets, social icons, and overall styling of your footer, and how to make those changes live on your store. Start by signing into your store's admin and opening your dashboard. From the left menu, go to Storefront, then choose My Themes. Under your active theme, click Customize. This opens the page builder, sometimes called the theme editor, where you'll do all your footer editing in a visual live preview. In the editor, scroll to the bottom of the preview window until you reach the footer. Hover over the footer area so it highlights, then click the pencil icon to open the footer's settings. This reveals all of the editable blocks for that section. Begin with the content. Update text blocks like your store description, copyright notice, contact details, or your business address. Keep text concise and scannable so it looks clean on small screens. Next, review and adjust your footer links. Common items include About, FAQ, Contact, Store Policies, and popular categories. Make sure these links point to the correct pages and reflect the navigation you want customers to see. Some themes use a web pages menu to power footer links. If yours does, head to Storefront and then Web Pages. Edit the pages you want to appear in the footer and use the parent page and show in navigation menu options to organize how they display. This ensures the footer pulls the correct pages automatically. If your theme uses widgets, you can edit them just like any other block. Hover a widget, such as a column, menu, image, or icon group, click Edit, and update items like titles, text, links, images, icons, spacing, and layout. Keep spacing consistent so the footer feels balanced and easy to read. Want to add more content? Open the widgets panel on the left and drag what you need into the footer area. You can add text, images, social icons, buttons, a navigation list, or a custom HTML block. After placing a widget, customize its content and design so it matches the rest of your site. Less is more here. Avoid overcrowding to keep the footer usable. To manage social media, click the social icons block in the footer. Add or update links for the platforms you use. Turn specific icons on or off. Choose a filled or outline style. And adjust alignment so everything lines up nicely. For design, open theme styles or styles and find the footer settings. Adjust the background color, text and link colors, hover states, divider lines, button styles, and padding or margins. Aim for strong contrast to keep text accessible and legible. When you're happy, click Save in the top right. If your theme requires it, click Publish to push the changes live. Refresh your storefront to verify the new footer looks great across a few pages. That's it. You've successfully edited the footer in BigCommerce.